Hi guys, welcome back. Now we are going to discuss about Java history. What is this Java history? What is behind that? How this Java came into picture and how who developed all the stuffs we'll see in very short. Okay, don't worry about it. I will not take much for this history. Obviously, so when you are learning some languages, you should know the history of that language, right? So basically, if you doesn't know in depth, that is fine. Obviously you are not going to use it out, right? You are not going to implement this history, but at least you should know the basics. So who developed, at least when they introduced, and what are the stuffs you can do it out. So those things you need to know when you are learning some languages. Okay, the same way we are going for Java as well. Okay, so basically if you go for a Java history, okay, it was developed by Sun Microsystem basically. Okay, and the father of Java is a James Gosling. Okay, and he is the one initiated, and his team basically. Okay, his team is called as a green team. Okay, and initially it was called Oak. Okay, but the naming they changed later. The reason being that Oak was already having some companies already purchased the naming trademark. Okay, so the trademark already purchased by the some Oak Technologies basically. Okay, so they cannot use the Oak, right? So if already somebody is trademarked that naming, we cannot use the name. So they changed that later into Java basically. Okay, and initially it used to set up boxes for TV. So you can see earlier, like we are having set up boxes, right, for TV, all the stuff, right, radio, if you think about it. So initially they built it for that purpose only. Okay, and it was with earlier with Sun Microsystem, as I told, and now it is with Oracle basically. Okay, so Oracle purchased that. So like Oracle, if you done the Java certification, so you will get the Sun Microsystem certification, right? But now if you are doing Java, basically you will get the Oracle certification. Okay, and the Java first version, now we are having a lot of versions. Basically nowadays people have started using 11. Okay, still they released I think 13, 14 versions, 13 version as well, but still people are using 11 most of the team, and 8, okay, and 7. So these are the features they are using. But the 1.0, right, the Java first version was released 1996 Jan. Okay, so this is basically, it's a Java history, and Java is just a name. Okay, don't think about maybe Java some have some acronym or something else. Okay, no, so Java is just a name. Okay, so this is what